je pa njen setting, story, like, kakšen, ima kakšno ozadje?
Kaj? It's funny as fuck. V bistvu... it's like...
To sem že slišala na njenem streamu, it's good.
It's part of the decision of becoming a VTuber. Was like, oh yeah, I want to be an anime girl. And I was like, I'm not gonna take myself seriously, you know? Like, I'm not gonna... There is a lot of VTubers that don't take themselves seriously. The only thing that I researched was the debut of VTubers. I saw what kind of debuts they had, and I kind of made it, like, I made a date, I decided on a date, and I decided on that date it's gonna be her birthday, and it was Valentine's Day. 14. februarja sem začela z mojim prvim streamom.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's also her birthday.
22.
Zdaj, praznovala sem drugi rojstni dan od Muvu, oziroma 21 let je stara. In background od Muvu je, I really liked the vine of, I'm Jared and I'm 19 and I never learned how to read. Because of my dyslexia, it was really hard for me to read. In sem takrat tudi ugotovila, da moj chat, ne morem več slediti mojemu chatu, ker sem imela like 10 ljudi v chatu ali nekaj. Sem decidala, da bom text-to-speech uporabljala, sicer noben drug ne more slišati tega text-to-speecha razen jaz. So it was really easy for me to like talk to the people in the chat. And so I decided, okay, zdaj imam res fajn že vse zrihtan, vem kako streamati, let's have a VTuber. I made her in a month, animated everything, in poi sem bila like story time. Like in poi VTubers debut, like je opis karakterjev, story, background and stuff. And I was all like, okay, we're gonna make her younger because anime girls, right? 19, never learned how to read.
Okay.
19 never learned how to read.
I mean, she is a fox.
She's a fox from the woods. Ona je iz Slovenije, iz Triglavskega parka. I thought that was the funniest shit ever. I was like, yeah, Triglav National Park.
Jaz sem mislil, da ne moreš postaviti nepremičnine na narodnem parku. So, I guess if you're an animal, the laws don't abide.
I mean, she doesn't really
Anime. Yeah. You can do anything.
Yeah.
Anime girls so bolj lenient z zakoni.
Pač jaz sem, it's an alternate universe, right? It's an alternate universe. In jaz sem se tudi odločila, takrat sem bila ful obsedena z knjigo Foxhole Court. It's not well known, it's not anime at all. It's just a queer book about a made up sport. And the main sport team in the book is the foxes.
Okay.
Foxhole Court, that's also why she's a fox. In sem basically hotla narediti, kukar da je v tem universu and that she watches the games on TV or something. It was a dumb thing. Her favorite sport is Axie or some bullshit. It's a made up sport. It's
what is the sport about?
No, let's not go there. It actually doesn't matter. It's just
wrestling.
It's her background. It's like I can do whatever I want with this anime character. I want the freedom. And I was all like, if I were an anime girl in an anime universe, I would like to choose that, you know. Kva sem še zbrala, pa sem like, what does she like, what does she hate, right?
Apparently plačuje rent pticam.
Ja, to sem se izmislila. To sem se tako pred kratkim izmislila, v resnici. Vsake toliko cajta se nekaj izmislim. Like, enkrat sem zamujala na stream.
To je world building.
Ja, enkrat sem zamujala na stream in je 15 minut samo stream starting soon bil. In pridem gor na stream in sem like, I got lost in the woods, guys. I didn't know where I was.
Someday bojo naredili igro, v katerem bojo imeli VTuber in bo ta cel storyline, bo tak JRPG, Genshin type of game. Yes, yes.
Ja. Vem, ena mi je bila ful smešna, njen VTuber je bil Isekai. And she was a bunny in her past life, and while she was cutting carrots, she cut her finger and died. And
Bunny was cutting carrots.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fantasy.
Okay.
You know, who gives a fuck?
Okay.
You go, girl.
Hey.
Yeah, and she cut her finger and she died because bunnies just fucking die immediately.
Yeah,
you
of
know?
course, yeah.
Shock! Oh no,
Of
she's
course.
dead. And so she got reincarnated as an anime girl with bunny ears, and
Bunny girl.
she's a
Yeah.
VTuber now. You know,
Okay.
yeah.
Checks out.
So yeah, Muvu. Ne vem, kva so. She hates prison, which.
I mean, I hate prison. I don't think
It was kind of meant to be like a mystery, and people would
Sorry,
be
all the prison lovers out there.
Yeah. As if she was in prison, you know, like, oh, okay, what the hell? She hates prison. That's random, you know. But it was just a bunch of memes at the start. I don't actually remember. Vem, da sem imela like just pictures of, I don't know, like her age, her character.
Yes,
I don't
yes.
know. Yeah.